Okay, welcome to the homeofbadges channel again. This time is introducing a Wave Toronto 9 V1GA141202。歡迎大家再一次聽我哋嘅頻道啦。今次介紹嘅就係 Wave Toronto 第9代嘅 V1GA141202。歡迎來到我們的 YouTube 頻道，就是這個介紹的，就是 Mizuno 的 Wave Toronto 9代141V1GA141202，你可以看到我真的很害怕講普通話，其實不是，其實還可以的。Let's take a look on the shoes first. Okay, let's take a look on that while I was fixing the paper. Hey, the paper can come out. Okay, if you can see that the Wave Toronto is using the AP Plus technology, okay, which is different from others. Very materialistic. Indeed, it's still plastic. Okay, you can see it from different angles. It's also using Dynamotion fit and also using the SR Touch. The SR Touch logo, yep, shock absorption and high relevant EVA inside. Okay, it says that, not what I'm saying. Okay, yes, just continue to take a look from the different angles of the Wave Toronto 9. You can see that current nylon. Okay, let's take a look on the tab first. Okay, every time it's very difficult to press the button. 看到了没有？我想也是可以的这个可以。其实这个 Wave Toronto 就是米金融，就是最高档次的这个排球和这个indoor的鞋，这是室内的鞋，你可以看到不同的部分，这是在橡胶的部分。这个 Wave 的部分呢，你可以看到3个比较硬的版本的。Let's take a look on the bottom of the shoes. Okay, it also have the Dynamotion groove, rave over here. Non-marking, XGs, and another special technology. If you can see that from the bottom of the shoes, that is different from the other two. Okay, we will do the comparison. Okay, later. You can see also the yellowish, and then it will absorb the shock on that, and also the park. You can see that over here. 你睇到啦，其實都係用 AP Plus 呢個 technology 啦，咁就其實佢3個底嘅部分少少唔同嘅。咁除咗呢一個外側嘅部分用咗唔同顏色可以吸震嘅部分之外咧，其實咧另外一邊咧就喺另外一腳另外一部分嘅。咁其實呢個最 professional 㗎。咁可以睇到其實你呢個咧佢落地個位咧其實就好明顯地同埋另外兩對唔同嘅。呢個遲啲會再介紹嘅。If you're interested, just feel free to contact us at the homeofbadges channel, homeofbadges.com. 如果你有興趣的話，可以來到我們淘寶的店，就是天可長補軟。如果有興趣嘅話，可以嚟到我哋天河運動用品啦，咁Facebook 度揾到，咁再加埋我哋網站都會有呢對鞋嘅。OK， 喺唔同角度我哋再睇一次啊。OK, thank you very much and see you.